Hey guys, don't listen to anyone who tells you that selling digital products is oversaturated or hard or something, because in this video I'm gonna show you a nice method you never heard about in this planet. So now follow me in this tutorial step by step. And now let's get started. And the first step for sure is by going to TikTok. And for sure we all know TikTok. Here you can find many of these posts, many videos regarding any topic you can think of. And here you can search for something that most popular on TikTok, like self-improvement, discipline, motivational, or something like that. So for example, I can take self-improvement, an example of these niches and the trending topics. So I can search for self-improvement. For sure we can find here amazing suggestions from TikTok algorithms regarding this topic, like for self-improvement book for girls, men, struggles, and so on. So I can take something like self-improvement for girls, and here you can find amazing videos talking about this topic, as you see, with hundred thousands of these views, as you see. So you can pick one of these videos as an example, like this one for sure, like this one. And the next step here, I can go to the link of this video, and now you can move on to the step number 2 by going to this amazing website, that is igcommand.com. Here you can go to these three dashes, and now scroll all the way to the bottom to go to TikTok tools, and here I can select this one that says TikTok Commands Viewer. So click over that, then insert the link of your own post that you got from TikTok in the previous step, verify you are human, and submit. Then just in a few seconds here you can find these comments, as you see. So this tool enables you to scrap all the comment section for every single video you choose on TikTok. That way you can actually get many ideas or problems people are suffering regarding this topic and this angle, self-improvement for girls, as you see. So many people are engaging to just throw out some struggles, challenges, difficulties they are facing in daily life regarding this topic in every single niche. So I can scrap all these comments just with a click of a button like this way, and then you can scroll all the way to the bottom to find this button waiting for you, like download your comments. So click over that, then you can find a full Excel sheet packed with all these comments in your device just in a few seconds. And now we can move on to the step number 2, just by going to this amazing website that is grok.com. Here you can actually convert and leverage this comment section to get ideas to create your digital products to solve these problem. So I can create a digital product to solve a specific problem for this specific audience or this target audience. So I can use grok.com actually completely for free instead of ChatGPT or QN and something. So here I just go to this attach feature and upload your file that you got from igcommand.com. Then insert this prompt like this one, give me ideas of digital products based on these comments to create Excel sheet that solve a specific problem. For sure you can actually add anything else, like you can to create easy to make digital products, or to create checklist or cheat sheets or anything else you can think of, or you can make it wide open, like to create easy to make digital products. Okay, so I can actually specify more to get Excel sheet to solve a specific problem, to actually make these girls or this target audience engage well with this product. Or I can look like I just put some effort to create this digital product. Okay, that's it. And then just in few minutes give me these amazing ideas, as you see, like idea number 1, daily motivational reminder tracker, self-love and boundary setting journal, and so on, as you see with description how you can actually profit from it and so on. So it's time now how you can create these amazing digital products or spreadsheet. And now just we can move on to the step number 4 by going to this amazing website that is genespark.ai. It's an awesome website. Here you can find amazing tools to create many types of digital items completely for free. And of course, I just talked about this amazing website in previous video. You can find this video down below in the first comment and description box. Anyway, here you can head over to this AI sheets. Click over this one and you will be taken to this page where you can insert your prompt or your description. So I can go back again to grok.com and pick one of these ideas like this one, idea number one, and I can copy the entire section like that, copy and go to my Genospark, okay, and insert this whole description and click over this button. And just in a few minutes, you can find an awesome Excel sheet waiting for you like this one, as you see. Daily motivational reminder tracker with different pages, starting with a welcome page, as you see. So the steps how you can use this amazing Excel sheet, okay, and quote database with these quotes, category and active. So every single girl can answer this quote every day, and this one like daily tracker, dates, day of weeks, daily quote, reflection notes if they have, and so on. And for sure, these all pages are connected with formulas, equations, and so on. So you got here from Genospark a done for you and ready to use Excel sheet and at a high professional level. So now, how can get this Excel sheet to our device? So I can go to export option and export as Excel sheet. So for free without any watermark or with no restrictions. And now it's time you can take the benefit of this Excel sheet remit to make online selling your digital product. So for sure, you can find many ways to actually to leverage this digital product and this Excel sheet to promote everywhere to get money. But if you just prefer TikTok, for example, in a simple way, just you can actually take the same video you got earlier to transform it or to spin it to a new video. So for example, you can download this video using any TikTok video downloaders like Snapchat or IG as well. Then you can transcribe this video using this awesome website that is riverside.com transcription. It's a completely free tool to transcribe any video you want, like this transcript. Then I can take this one, the whole transcript, copy to clipboard and go to this awesome website that is revid.ai. It's an awesome website that literally converts anything to beautiful video, and for sure here you can find a generous free plan. So in Revit.ai you can go to AI video tools. Here you can find amazing tools to try it out, and I can take this one that says AI TikTok video generator. So click over this one and you'll be taken to this page where you can insert your script after added some tweaks, or you can rewrite in ChatGPT or in Grok or TON as you want to be more professional and more unique. Then insert here there's a whole transcript as you see. Then choose option moving AI images and then generate your video. And of course, I just talked about this awesome website previously. You can find this video down below in the first comment and description box. So here, that way you can create your own videos like this in preview. And for sure, you want to actually promote your own digital products professionally, even if you don't have any experience or any skills for promoting or even creating your digital products from scratch. I just packed the whole system and the framework that worked for me, so it definitely would work for you. You can find this framework totally down below in the first comment and description box. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.